quite a good number of farmers have lost a lot of money in farming. Quite a good number of investors have left farming because they've lost their savings, they've lost their borrowed money, they've lost in a venture they expected to earn from. And before the loss of the capital, at some point, you feel like you're farming at the mercies of weather. Same old stories, flooded market, failed crops. It doesn't have to be this way. Let's take 2025 as our new beginning. Let's take 2025 as our practical of what we studied in previous year. We need to change the strategies. We need to leave the old ways that made us lose our money and embrace and adopt to the new farming technologies. The key strategy is simple, and the key strategy to be able to earn out of what you're doing is by embracing irrigation. When you embrace irrigation, you become an off-season farmer. Remember, when you got into farming and found the market was flooded, you are doing it during rain-fed. You may have been doing it using irrigation, but the rain-fed farmers also were on board and you all met in the market. What happened? When I talk of irrigation, this is a term you are not supposed to fear because we have several types of irrigation that can suit your budget. We have furrow irrigation, we have sprinkler irrigation, we have drip irrigation, and many other forms of irrigation that favors your budget. So it's you to choose subject to what you have in your pocket. Irrigated farming gives every farmer or every investor an opportunity to farm when the demand is high. If you're able to embrace the irrigation, you are going to meet a very good demand as compared to when you run during the rain-fed. So for you to be a good investor, for you to be in good businesses, you need to time when all other farmers are not doing it and come and do it. With irrigation, it becomes very easier for you to break even and to make money out of your farming venture. This year, I'm here to take your hand through all the processes of farming, from farm setup, setting up the best and the cheapest irrigation for you, giving you the best agronomy services, and also helping you to link with the markets, both export and local market. If you're interested, reach out to me via my email address or via this number so that we can continue growing together. Happy New Year 2025.